guys, so in the last videos, it was my birthday, and I got a 48-volt battery for the crazy cart. So in this video, I'm gonna install it. So we're gonna change the controller and the battery. So I'm hyped. I'm gonna get to it. So there's one thing. It has the motor. I tried fixing it, but I'm just gonna redo it. So you see that? It's messed up right behind there. So when I turn the motor, when I have the covers on, the motor cuts off. So I'm just gonna resolder a motor wire all the way to like right here. So and it's gonna be dope. Either way, I'm gonna probably get a new motor soon, because with the 48 volts, it's gonna burn it out pretty quickly. So I'm gonna need a new motor anyways. So I'm just gonna solder it for now, and it should run perfectly. So we're gonna get to it. And so I gotta take the motor out, pull it, then cut this line, then resolder a new line onto it. And that's all we have to do. And probably I'll do some wire management, and you guys can see the brakes from my kit. If you guys want, go check that out. And guys, let's get to it. What's up, guys? So in today's video, I'm on the crazy cart with the 48-volt battery, hand drag. So with the 48-volt battery, let's test it out. Let's swing into a drift. Okay, I want to show you guys something. So ready? Watch this. Look it. You guys see I'm doing a burnout? Whoa. Yo. That's crazy. And it will do a burn. You guys see that? Ready? It'll do a burnout from a stop. Ready? That was barely any throttle. You can see the line. You see it? Sheesh. I can do donuts. Ready? Yo, look at that donut. Let's hit one more donut, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yo, look at that. Bro, that's a perfect donut. Yo. I'm gonna have to do a video in the center of it like this. Yeah. Bro, this 48 volt is insane. Let's actually put it in the middle of that circle and show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys it. Oh wait. Check that out, guys. Look how clean that is. So I have my custom brake kit on it from Ben's Electrified Bike Kits. If you guys want to go check it out. Then, oh wait, my flag turned a little. So my Ben's lowrider's flag. Oh shoot, wrong circle. Oh well. So I got the tire slayer because it kills tires. Oh, and then the tags say Crazy Cart and Ben's lowrider. Pretty dope. It's custom wrapped, and then when you check out in here, you got the battery, the upgraded controller. This is the new key ignition switch, and so I got the charger for it. I wired it all up. It charged perfect. I was tired of waiting super long for chargers to take, so I got a 5 amp instead of a 2 amp, so it's a lot quicker. It comes with a fan and stuff. It's a lot better. No burnout, but just donuts. Ready? So I've been trying to get this trick. I haven't rode it in a while, this cart, so I used to be able to do this trick, so I'm gonna try it again, alright? Well, I'll show you, okay. Ready? No, wrong side. Okay. Let me get to a place with no cars. Alright, right here, guys. Oh! I did it! So, usually I would be able to ride it, like, in reverse. Oh, check that out. Got it. And then you smoothly go around that little rock. How about we hit some figure 8? Ready? Okay, I'm gonna try to do an 8 and a burnout. Ready? Okay. Oh wait, that totally messed up. Okay, ready? Okay, got out of control. Ooh, it smells like straight rubber. Okay, ready guys? I know another street that's kind of like smooth like this street. across the street. Check for cars. No cars, stop sign. Ready? I'm gonna drift this corner. Yo, that was professional. Cat? Oh, dang, it's a cat. Okay. Let me know if you guys are liking the video. Alright. On the throttle. Yo guys, this video is probably gonna be coming to an end. That fix. Ready? Oh wait, I gotta pull the drift bar. Ready? Burnt rubber. Smells straight like burnt rubber. But yeah guys, the vid's probably gonna be coming to an end. So thank you guys for watching, and so I do a wheelie outro. This is a drift outro. Peace out.